The three words I'd use to describe Hofstra are energetic, empowering, and inspirational. When I was looking at schools, I came to Hofstra because of the amazing facilities that we have here. And coming from a high school that didn't have a lot of equipment and having a part of my high school experience crushed by COVID, it was just really important to me to, from day one, the ability to get on the camera, get in front of it and behind it and just figure out how everything worked and just really have the ability to use the studios like a playground to get everything that I had from up here onto the screen and do that with the people I love. My first industry experience was working as a board operator at WABC Radio in New York City, and they took a chance on me and said, you know, you're 19, you've got a lot of energy, you've been trained well at your college, can you take over as the overnight producer while we look for someone who can do it full time? So that was my real first experience in media. I took everything that I'd learned and was able to translate that to being the weekend update intern at Saturday Night Live. This year I went to New Orleans to cover the Super Bowl Media Week. I was very fortunate to get about 10 questions in with Travis Kelce. Not just sitting in the classroom. They really let you go and explore, and I've had friends who've gone all over on different assignments as part of the school here. And just, I think what I'll miss the most after I graduate is just the people. And for students who are incoming freshmen, my biggest advice for you is to play full out. Try to fully immerse yourself. Talk with the alumni, talk with the professors, talk with the upperclassmen. You're going to be able to make so much out of your time here and do amazing things, you won't even believe it. I think my favorite memory of Hofstra was when I was involved with Hofstra Votes Live, seeing all 300 people from across different majors come together and get on this crew. I found out at Monday morning, November 4th, at about 1 in the morning, that I was going to go to DC and go to the Vice President Harris watch party. So we had less than 12 hours to get everything together. Just, you know, when you have experiences here where you can get hands-on and you can have so many reps working on different productions, that type of 12-hour notice plus a 4-hour drive doesn't really scare you because you've already done it so many times that it's another day in the ballpark. What's next for me is I'm definitely planning on staying in New York, working in media, continuing to do the things that I love. Whether that's in comedy or sports, I know that I'm going to be able to use the things that I learned here at Hofstra University to make my career amazing and keep doing things that I love with the people that I love. I'm Jake Epstein, class of 2025, and I got this.